everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Now recently I had gone to the salon that I usually go to just to pamper my hair, and as soon as the stylist saw my hair, he identified the amount of damage which is there existing in my hair. Now what really happens in today's time is, in the quest of getting beautiful hair, we end up damaging our hair furthermore. And when the hair is damaged, it becomes much more fragile, which breaks very easily. So the stylist recommended me that I use the Matrix Opti.repair regime, and I'm super excited to share my hair care experience with you all. The hairdresser analyzed my hair concerns, which is primarily a lot of dryness, split ends and breakage, and accordingly he suggested me this range. And I cannot wait to show you my hair care regime, the results that I have had after using the Matrix Opti.repair regime. Now this range consists of a liquid protein shampoo, a liquid protein conditioner, and a porosity spray, which is the star of this entire hair care regime. Now hair breakage can leave us with frizzy, unhealthy looking hair, which means that the porosity in the hair is high. Now all of this could be either because of overusage of chemicals in the hair, or by using a lot of heating tools just to style the hair at a very high temperature. Now let's first understand what is hair porosity. Hair porosity is those little gaps which is there in the hair which tends to absorb all the moisture. Now you can either have low porosity, which means that the cuticles are all sealed and it doesn't absorb any moisture, or you can have medium porosity, which means that you have healthy cuticles, or you can have high porosity, which basically means that the cuticles are all open, they absorb moisture, and which basically means damaged hair. And if you have damaged hair, that will lead to a lot of problems like split ends, breakage of the hair, dangling, dead ends, and dryness in the hair, dehydrated hair, and also a lot of dullness which is there in the hair. Now after understanding all this, I then realized that the porosity in my hair is pretty high, again because of the lifestyle we all have, the heating tools that we keep on applying, and a lot of treatments that we keep on doing. So I definitely realized that I need to do something because my hair porosity is quite high. The Matrix Opti.repair liquid protein system is a one-stop solution for damaged and high porosity hair. Now this range repairs and restores the hair damage from the very first use. Now you start off by cleansing the scalp with the liquid protein shampoo. Leave it on for a minute and rinse off. Moving on to the liquid protein conditioner. This softens the hair lengths, and just apply it on the mids and the ends. Leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes before washing it off. Then spray the porosity spray on damp hair from mid-lengths to ends. Do not rinse out and then style your hair as usual. You can repeat 2 to 3 times in a week as per the requirement. This one is infused with B5 and liquid protein technology, which basically nourishes the hair, strengthens the hair, and also just makes the hair in a way that it reduces the damage in dry, brittle and damaged hair. Now like how you eat protein for your health, this is the protein that you need for your hair. This has 5-in-1 benefits. This seals the cuticles and the split ends from the first time that you start using this. It also restores and repairs damaged hair from the very first use. It also protects your hair from any sort of heat styling that you do, and also just manages and balances the pH level in your hair. And it also seals the cuticles of your hair just to make them more healthy. The shampoo has no parabens and silicones. However, the conditioner and the porosity spray, they do not have any silicones, sulfates and parabens. The Opti.repair regime has helped me to repair my damaged hair and reduce the porosity of my hair. My hair doesn't tangle, doesn't break, and doesn't feel dry anymore. And now I can flaunt beautiful, healthier hair with confidence. I am truly in love with my hair ever since I have started using the Matrix Opti.repair hair care regime. Honestly, I cannot tell you how happy I am. It restores and repairs the damage from the very first use. So you can check out any of your nearby Matrix Salon to get your hands on the entire Matrix Opti.repair range, and I'll also leave the product links in the description box below, so definitely check it out. I will see you very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.